This paragraph comprehension practice test question for the ASVAB and PiCAT says, in the passage, the author compares. So if you haven't done so already, please pause the video and read through the passage yourself. That said, I'm going to go through each answer choice until I find the correct one. A says sizes and populations of Australia and California to show that Australia is less populous than California. So as it happens, the answer to this question is actually found within the first two sentences in this passage. So let's go ahead and read through those one more time. It says slightly smaller in area than the lower 48 states. So that very first sentence is comparing the size of Australia versus the size of the lower 48 states. So that's one comparison that's being made. Australia has a population of about 25 million people. By contrast, the population of California is over 35 million. All right, so the second comparison is going to be the population of Australia versus the population of California. All right, so those are our two comparisons that are being made. A says the sizes and populations of Australia and California. That's not correct. We're comparing the size of Australia versus the size of the lower 48 states. B says populations and sizes of Australia and the lower 48 states. Again, as I just pointed out, we're comparing the size of Australia versus the lower 48 states and the population of Australia versus the population of California. So this one's not correct. C says populations of Australia and the lower 48 states. We're not making those comparisons. We're comparing the population of Australia to California. So this one's not correct. By process of elimination, we know that D is correct. Again, it says the size of Australia to the lower 48 states. That's true. And the populations of Australia to California. That's also true to show how thinly populated Australia is. So again, the correct answer to this one is D.